Good morning, students. I am Anjula Agarwal. Today we will take the chapter of class 7, The Rebel. The poet of this poem is D.J. Enright. Full name is Dennis Joseph. He is a famous Irish revolutionary poet. He is a novelist and critic. Do you know what is the meaning of rebel? The rebel means a person who always disagrees with you and do the opposite of it. In this poem, the poet describes about the rebel. What is the habit of the rebel? In this poem, the poet lists about various contradictory activities of the rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel has hair grow long. When everyone has short hair, the rebel likes to have long hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When every person likes to have long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody during the lesson in the class talks, the rebel remains quiet. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When nobody talks during the lesson at that time, he creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes, fantastic strange clothes. When everybody wears school uniform, at that time the rebel dresses himself in strange or odd clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, when everybody wears strange clothes, at that time the rebel dresses sober clothes. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When everybody likes to live in the company of dogs, at that time he preferred in the company of cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody praises the sun, at that time the rebel remarks that he needs rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, greeting means welcome. When everybody welcomes the rain, at that time the rebel regrets feels sorry the absence of sun. When in other words, we can say when everybody likes to do anything, the rebel is always in opposite. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody wants to go into the meeting of someone, the rebel at that time likes to stay at home and he reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, at that time the rebel goes to the meeting. He is opposite to others. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. He said no thanks. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. At that time he says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. These lines are the gist of the poem. In this poem, the poet says that in the society it is very good that we should have rebels, but it is not good that we ourselves become the rebel. So students, you should not behave like rebels. This is the message of the poem, and now I am showing you some words which are used in this poem You can write fantastic, odd, strange, preference, liking, soberly, in a simple manner, praising, speaking nicely, greeting, welcome, regret, feel sorry. Thank you, students.